All right, so we want to convert 3.24 grams per milliliter to megagrams per nanoliter. So let's convert grams to megagrams. We know that 1 megagram is 10 to the 6 grams, which means grams will cancel. And then we want to convert milliliters to nanoliters. I think the best way of doing this is let's convert milliliters to liters. So we know that there are 10 to the third milliliters in 1 liter. So the milliliters cancel. And then we want to convert liters to nanoliters. So 1 liter is 10 to the 9 nanoliters. And now liters cancel. So all we need to do now is to simplify. So I have (3.24) times 10 to the third divided by 10 to the 15. That's 3.24 times 10 to the minus 12 megagrams per nanoliter. And that's the final answer.